All right, we're shifting gears. We're going straight to the digestive system. Now, if you're at this nourishment program, you're probably here because you may have some form of digestive discomfort, blood sugar imbalances like sugar cravings, emotional eating, you're stressed out, you're trying to lose weight. All of those symptoms, we can address those through the gut. So if we can heal the gut, we can heal the root. So let's start out with the foundations of the digestive system to get us started. The goal of digestion is to reduce food molecules so small that the nutrients can be absorbed and used by the cells. In order to do that, we have the anatomy. We've got the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small, large intestine, and then we have accessory organs. We've got the liver, the pancreas, the gallbladder. These are accessory digestive organs that support the breakdown of food materials by secreting chemical substances such as digestive enzymes and bile. We're going to talk about each anatomy part and how those organs are found in the digestive system and the roles that it contains in breaking down the food. To start off, the mouth. The mouth is the first part of digestion. The mechanical process is chewing, we know that, and it secretes saliva. That's our chemical process. And the foods that are digested are starches, which is a type of carb. Now, the bolus goes down into the esophagus in the form of peristalsis, which is the movement of organ walls in the GI tract. That goes down to the upper muscle of the stomach. It relaxes to let food enter. And then the lower muscle mixes food with the digestive enzyme. That's also where stomach acid secreted and digestive enzyme. And then proteins can be absorbed. All right, this now is our liver. So the liver produces bile, and bile emulsifies lipids, which are fats that can be further broken down by the enzymes. From here, we got our little gallbladder. The gallbladder stores the bile. It releases bile into the small intestine, and the bile emulsifies the lipids, which again are the fats, and they can be further broken down by enzymes. Next is your pancreas. The pancreatic enzyme is secreted in the small intestine, and carbs, fats, and proteins are broken down and absorbed. Then you've got, again, your small or your large intestine. Peristalsis is that movement that the food is continually breaking down. And in here, in your large intestine, that you reabsorb the water and electrolytes. Bacteria also is breaking down in undigested foods and ferment fiber. Then you have your small intestine, and then digestive enzymes are chemically breaking down those undigested foods, and then that's when starches, proteins, and carbohydrates are fully absorbed. Then you have your rectum. That's where stool is stored, and this moves your stool during a bowel movement. And then the very last of your digestive system is your anus, and that is where your stool is excreted through the anus. All right, so that is the full function of the digestive system. And later on, I've got a video that talks more about this in depth if you're nerdy kind of like me and want to see the whole anatomy and its function and form. And then there's also a guide that you can see, that you can have as well.